The future of farming is here. Imagine a world where AI-powered drones monitor crops, autonomous tractors plow fields, and smart irrigation systems save water with precision. In today's video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming agriculture, from boosting crop yields to solving global food security challenges. But that's not all. We'll explore real-life AI innovations that are revolutionizing farming right now. Stay with me until the end because you won't want to miss how AI is reshaping the way we grow food. Are you ready for the future of farming? Let's get started.
So we are here to discuss AI in agriculture and how the future of farming and food production is on the line. But first, it's essential to know that what is AI in agriculture? Let me answer this. AI in agriculture refers to the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, robotics, and data analytics to optimize farming processes. AI-powered systems help farmers improve crop yield, reduce resource wastage, monitor plant and soil health, and make data-driven decisions. The goal is to increase efficiency, sustainability, and profitability in farming. As the global population is expected to reach 10 billion by 2050, the demand for food will rise significantly. AI-powered smart farming and precision agriculture are key to addressing this challenge while ensuring food security. Now we know the answer. Let's take a look at the future of farming with AI-powered smart farming and precision agriculture. AI is revolutionizing agriculture by introducing smart farming techniques, where farms are managed using automation, sensors, drones, and IoT, Internet of Things. Key AI-powered smart farming technologies. Autonomous tractors and robots. AI-driven tractors and robots automate plowing, seeding, and harvesting. For example, John Deere's autonomous tractor uses AI and GPS to operate without human intervention. Smart irrigation systems. AI analyzes soil moisture, weather conditions, and crop needs to optimize water usage. For example, Netafim's AI irrigation system reduces water wastage by up to 30%. AI-enabled drones. Drones equipped with AI monitor crop health, detect diseases, and apply fertilizers or pesticides only where needed. For example, XAG drones in China help farmers spray pesticides efficiently, reducing chemical use by 30 to 50%. Now let me tell you the importance of precision agriculture. Precision agriculture uses AI and big data analytics to maximize crop production while minimizing waste. Sensors and AI algorithms analyze data in real time to optimize planting, fertilization, and harvesting. How AI enhances precision agriculture. Predictive analytics. AI predicts weather patterns, pest outbreaks, and crop diseases, allowing farmers to take preventive actions. For example, the Climate Corporation uses AI to provide farmers with real-time insights on soil conditions and weather forecasts. Automated crop monitoring. AI-powered cameras and sensors detect plant diseases early. For example, Plant Village AI app helps African farmers identify and treat crop diseases using smartphone cameras. AI-optimized fertilization. AI analyzes soil nutrients and applies fertilizers precisely, reducing waste and environmental damage. For example, IBM Watson Decision Platform for Agriculture helps farmers optimize fertilizer use with AI-driven insights.
Now let's discuss AI for food security and sustainable agriculture. AI is crucial for ensuring global food security by increasing productivity, reducing food waste, and improving supply chain efficiency. Ways AI contributes to food security. Supply chain optimization. AI predicts demand, manages inventory, and reduces food spoilage. For example, IBM Food Trust blockchain uses AI to track food from farms to consumers, reducing waste and improving safety. Vertical farming with AI. AI-powered indoor farms use controlled environments to grow food year-round, reducing dependency on weather. For example, Aero Farms uses AI and LED lighting to grow crops indoors with 95% less water than traditional farming. Alternative protein production. AI helps develop lab-grown meat and plant-based proteins to reduce reliance on livestock. For example, Impossible Foods uses AI to create plant-based burgers that taste like real meat.
So, AI is transforming agriculture by improving efficiency, reducing losses, and increasing sustainability. 3 critical areas where AI is making a significant impact are: crop disease detection. Supply chain optimization. Precision irrigation. Let's explore each in detail. 1. AI in crop disease detection. Crop diseases can destroy up to 40% of global food production each year, leading to food shortages and economic losses. Traditional disease detection relies on manual inspection, which is time-consuming and error-prone. AI helps farmers detect diseases early and accurately through machine learning and computer vision. Let's check out how AI detects crop diseases. Computer vision and deep learning, AI-powered cameras and smartphone apps analyze plant leaves for early signs of diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies. Drones and satellites, AI-driven drones and satellite imagery scan large fields, identifying disease hotspots that the human eye might miss. Predictive analytics, AI models predict disease outbreaks based on weather conditions, soil health, and historical data, allowing farmers to take preventive action. Real-life examples include Plant Village AI app. Farmers in Africa use this AI-powered app to scan leaves with their smartphone cameras. The app identifies diseases and suggests treatments. BASF Zarvio, a precision farming platform that detects crop diseases early and recommends optimized treatments, reducing pesticide use. Blue River Technology, John Deere uses AI-powered see and spray machines that apply herbicides only to infected plants, reducing chemical use. And what are the benefits? Early disease detection reduces crop loss. Minimizes pesticide usage, leading to eco-friendly farming. Saves farmers time and money by automating disease identification.
Second most beneficial point is AI in supply chain optimization. 1/3 of all food produced globally is lost or wasted due to supply chain inefficiencies. AI helps optimize logistics, reduce food waste, and ensure a steady food supply. How AI optimizes agricultural supply chains. Demand forecasting. AI analyzes market trends, weather conditions, and consumer behavior to predict food demand and prevent overproduction. Real-time tracking. AI-powered IoT sensors track temperature, humidity, and location of food during transportation to reduce spoilage. Automated sorting and grading. AI-enabled robots sort and grade fruits, vegetables, and grains with high accuracy, ensuring consistent quality. Blockchain and AI integration. AI and blockchain create transparent supply chains, tracking food from farm to table to ensure safety and reduce fraud.
Real-life examples include IBM Food Trust Blockchain uses AI and blockchain to track food supply chains, ensuring freshness and reducing waste. Tomra Sorting Solutions, AI-powered sorting machines help reduce food waste by accurately grading produce. Google's DeepMind AI for logistics optimizes delivery routes for perishable food, reducing transit time and spoilage. Some essential benefits are: reduces food waste by improving storage and logistics. Ensures food quality with AI-powered tracking and grading. Increases farmer profits by matching supply with demand more efficiently.
Now let's discuss AI in precision irrigation. Agriculture consumes 70% of global freshwater resources, and inefficient irrigation wastes up to 50% of it. AI-driven precision irrigation ensures that crops get the right amount of water at the right time, reducing waste and improving yields. So how AI optimizes irrigation? A. Soil moisture sensors. AI-powered IoT sensors monitor soil moisture levels in real time, ensuring water is used efficiently. B. Weather-based irrigation. AI predicts rainfall and temperature to adjust irrigation schedules, preventing overwatering or drought stress. C. Automated smart irrigation systems. AI-driven systems control water distribution based on plant needs, ensuring optimal hydration. D. Satellite and drone data. AI analyzes aerial images to detect dry or overwatered areas, helping farmers adjust irrigation. In this scenario, the real-life examples are: Netafim AI-driven drip irrigation uses AI to optimize water distribution, reducing water use by up to 30%. CropX AI irrigation system uses soil sensors and AI models to recommend precise irrigation schedules. Microsoft AI for agriculture uses AI and cloud computing to provide customized irrigation plans for farmers in India. What are the benefits? Saves water by preventing over-irrigation. Boosts crop yields with optimized water distribution. Reduces costs by lowering water and energy usage. AI-powered smart farming and precision agriculture are revolutionizing food production by increasing efficiency, reducing waste, and ensuring food security. With AI-driven solutions like autonomous farming, precision irrigation, crop disease detection, and supply chain optimization, The future of farming will be more sustainable, productive, and resilient. As technology advances, AI will play an even bigger role in feeding the world's growing population, making agriculture smarter, greener, and more efficient. The future of farming will be more automated, data-driven, and sustainable. AI is not just a tool, it's the future of agriculture. With all this said, what do you think? Could AI be the key to solving global food security challenges? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI-powered insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.